What's up, Lancers? I'm Kaylin.
And I'm Jasmine.
And this is your monthly Top 10, where we bring you the top 10 events that happened at G House over the last month.
Top 10! Granger! Top 10! February! Top 10!
Whoa, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm top 10! For the month of February, ringing at number 10 is Super Lancers. These students were nominated by a teacher for being the kind of Lancer who does what they're supposed to do when they're supposed to do it. These are the Lancers who are where they're supposed to be when they're supposed to be there. We highlight these types of students each year because oftentimes what they do goes unnoticed. Virtual high five to our most recent Super Lancers. Thanks for being super.
At number 9, we have the district dance concert that was at Kearns High School. Granger's Dance Company performed and did a great job at representing Granger. Just like that. Way to go, guys and gals. You've danced your way into the top 10 list.
Number 8 this month goes to our girls basketball team in the game against Hunter. Now, while this game didn't go exactly as we hoped, our Lady Lancers played their hearts out. They lost by 1 point, but between the Crimson crowd and the effort they put into that game, they won the number 8 spot on our countdown.
Next, at the number 7 spot, we have our black box performance, Shuttersome, Tales of Poe. This performance took 5 of Edgar Allan Poe's famous poems and turned them into a play. You truly missed out if you missed this performance. It was a great show. Way to go, Advanced Theater. Since you guys have a play every month, we kind of expect you to be on the top 10 again.
Next, we have our Academic All-State at number 6. We had 2 Winter Sport Academic All-State athletes. Benjamin Zolcic won Academic All-State honors in swimming and also qualified for the state swim championships in the 50 freestyle event. Our other Academic All-State winner was Wendy Yu, who won Academic All-State for drill. These Lancers earned our number 6 spot in our countdown because they truly exemplify what it means to be a student athlete.
Coming in at number 5 is our boys basketball game against Hunter. It was senior night for JT and Jordan Griffith. After a tooth and nail game, the Lancers took the win against Hunter 37-31, and JT was throwing down threes like it was nobody's business.
At number 4 for this month of February, we have got to give a shout out, or like the kids like to say, S/O, to our Sterling Scholars, Andrea Flores, Nelson Lotz, and Norris Al-Saad, all qualified to compete in the state finals. Good luck, guys, and show the rest of the state just how sterling the Lancers are.
Tech following their way to the number 3 spot is our wrestlers. First off, they beat our rivals Hunter with a dramatic come-from-behind fall by Luke Walmsley. And to make it even better, this all went down at Hunter. We had 4 Lancers qualified for the state championship. Luke Walmsley, Braden Nolden, Bubba Tabil, and Rhino Tavai. 2 of them earned all-state honors. Rhino Tavai placed 6th in 5A, and Braden Nolden placed 3rd at Super State. Congratulations, wrestlers. You truly pinned your way into our top 10.
The next one was a debate, but due to the persuasive arguments, we have chosen our debate team for number 2 for February. Here's why. 4 Lancers have qualified for debate nationals. They are Jelena Dragicevich, Nelson Lotz, Layla Mujic, and Diana Rees, who's only a freshman. Dang. Way to go, y'all. Now go debate your way into history.
And finally, taking our number 1 spot on the Granger Top 10 Countdown is Jerem Oliphant. When Jerem was 14 years old, he composed, get this, an entire symphony. Mozart was only 6 years younger than Jerem when he wrote his first symphony. That's amazing. When I was 14, I couldn't even eat an entire symphony, and this kid wrote one. Jerem's symphony is titled The Symphony of Life and was performed this month by our Granger Band and Orchestra. It was even highlighted on KSL. Jerem, without you in the top 10, this countdown would be flat.
And that is it for your February Top 10! If you guys think you've missed out anything, if we missed out anything big, or want to submit anything that should be included on next month's Top 10, leave a comment for Granger High, Twitter, YouTube, or Facebook page. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on next month's Top 10!